guys, today we at the Fab Auto Boutique, and today I have the owner here with me today, Christian. You want to say hi, everybody?
What's up, y'all? I'm Christian Rendon. I'm the owner of the Fabricated Auto Boutique. Here we specialize in truck accessories down from lift kits, level kits, rims and tires, the side steps, bed covers. We do lighting as well, wheel lights, rock lights, cab lights, side markers, your tow mirror lighting, pretty much everything for your truck. We pretty much do everything here. We're located in Victoria, Texas, 9627 US Highway 87. My phone number is 361-541-8856. But yeah, we do pretty much everything here. We do tinting as well. As you can see, I'm wearing an Expo shirt. I'm a certified Expo dealer through them. We got it right here up in the background right here. So it's going to provide, ceramic basic. We don't do too much of the carbon. That's more of like the low grade right there. We'll leave it to the other people. But we are as professional as it gets in this shop right here. So you can see it's pretty damn, top notch right here. So we try to keep everything, real professional, give the customers something that they always want to come back to us for.
Yeah, and I'm excited because he's actually going to let me take a tour of his facility, and also too, he's gonna pretty much show me a day in the life of what he does today. Yes, how they're gonna do some, I think it's rims today we're gonna get put on. Yeah. He's gonna put some rims on today. He already put the lift on it. That's pretty awesome. Yeah.
And it came out super clean. I'm not gonna lie, that 5-inch zone lift kit, like I said, it came out really.
Yeah, so I'm super excited. He's gonna take us into life, and we're gonna see what he does in this video. It's coming up, guys.
So y'all ready to come check it out? Let's go. So in here, we're gonna have 2 displays of some bed covers. It's gonna be a hard roll up right here. So you can see right there, it just rolls up. You put all your stuff in there comfortably. You don't gotta worry about nobody taking it. And that goes down. And this one is going to be a flip up. This one, I'm not too big of a fan, but there's some people out here who like it. Oh, it's right here. Let's check it out. Right there, so that's gonna go up, and then so on from there. Not too big of a fan of that one. But
yeah, definitely like the other one.
Yeah, definitely.
That one's really.
I would say that's kind of your, bang for your buck. Then you have the retracts one where you hit the remote, and it's gonna just, just goes on its own at that point.
It feels easier too than having to flip.
It does, than having to flip and do all of that good stuff right there. Over here, we're gonna have, a little bit of our show items right here. So we're gonna have upper control arms right there. We're gonna have a shock with the reservoir, a Vertex coil over with the reservoir, and then right here you're gonna have like your stage 2. This is going to just be a loaded strut with a shock with the reservoir clamp too if you want to add that on. And this is going to be your stage 1, more or less of a spacer with a shock. That, is a little bit more budgetable right there. And then over there, we're going to have where we provide the Expo. Like I said in the video, previously on the intro, we are an Expo dealer. And now there's going to be CS, XR, XR Ultimate, and XR Ultimate Plus. Now when you start getting into the Ultimate Plus, you're looking at a really, really good penny just for some tint. Now, I will say it is a bang for your buck right there. But yes, this is what we provide too as something, to dress up your vehicle. If you were to come in just, for a kit, little kit, and we throw that at you, it's really gonna seal it up and make it look real clean. Alrighty, y'all, so we're gonna go check out the tint room right here. This is where the magic happens. So I wanted to do something a little different style than what everybody has here in Victoria. Now this is gonna light up everything in here. We're missing one, there's a chair in the way, there we go. But this is going to give us the best installs, the cleanest installs, everything that comes with it to, keeping y'all satisfied on that end right there. These lights, man, it helps out a lot. I will say that. It's crazy how much these lights will do. Those are supposed to be plugged in, but I'm usually using them for music and stuff like that. But right here, we do have my GrafTech plotter. Now, this is the biggest one you could get. This is a FC 9000 60-inch. Now, this could do PPF and tint. You could print out your stickers, a whole bunch of stuff for it. But this is the biggest that you could get from GrafTech right here. And right here, right next to it is going to be the computer. Now it is a little messy. I was doing some work today, but don't mind that. But so I just type in, let's say, for instance, me, I have a Ram 2022 2500. So you would type that in on there, and it's gonna ask for the trim, crew cab, all that stuff. So it's a limited Longhorn that we're gonna put in the crew cab. And it's gonna give me all my patterns down from the 2 sides, 2 quarter glasses if you have quarter glasses on a car. But for me, it's just 2 windows, front and back, then your back glass, then it cuts out your sunroof also, and your windshield. And like I said, this could do everything on it. It's a game changer, I will say that, especially whenever you got cars and cars stacked up on, one day you got 3 or 4 cars. This is gonna make it a whole lot easier right here. Alrighty, so that was the tint room right there. That's, this is the main, thing I really love about this. We're gonna take it to the bay where we're doing low kits, lift kits, full light installs, rock lights, ranch hand bumpers, bumper replacements, a whole bunch of all that good stuff. We're in the market of getting a lift right now. We're still trying to find the best one that we could go with. Something that's gonna pick up, dualies, your 3/4 tons, your big trucks. So there's no accidents here, on that end. But we are, we're doing it old school way. We're doing it with the jacks and jack stands. It's getting the job done for now.
Just put them all right here. You actually have the bodies to put them on.
Then you got to program it too. Like whether you got a Chevy or...
No, I didn't know that. Wow. Alright, that's it. This is before. These are going on here. There's the inside. Has the lift, and you can put the front and back. See how high it is. It's freaking high. Freaking massive. These are the old ones, and these are the new ones.
The keys in here?
I believe so.
There you go. That was the life of how he does his stuff here. We showed you the truck, how the rims looked on there. Man, it came out super nice. Those rims came out nice on there.
It was clean. It was clean. Like I said in the start, I didn't really like it, but I think those ones kind of, grew on me a little bit. It looks super clean with that gray that the GMC, comes from factory. Then with that gloss black, it really seals it. I will say that. So came out nice, man. I hope, y'all enjoyed a little bit of that tour right there. There's going to be more videos over here soon. And yeah.
Yeah, man. I really appreciate you having us out here. here,
No,
man,
for
and
sure, for sure.
checking it out and stuff like that. Definitely come check it out, man. He has a lot of cool, even your waiting area is
Yeah.
amazing in here, man. I love the shop, man. You did awesome. Thank you so much for letting us come along and see what you did, man.
for
Hell
sure.
yeah. So come check them out, guys. The Fab
Yes, sir. Yes,
Auto
sir.
Boutique.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Later.